Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. We have an unboxing here from Monument Metals, and it is one of the several purchases I made trying to take advantage of the dropping spot prices, mainly of platinum in this particular case and another case. But let's take a look here and see what's inside of here. They shipped it out, I think, pretty fast considering the sort of the squeeze on many of these bullion dealers that are getting swamped with orders as of late. So let's open this thing up and see what we've got inside of it. My guess is there will be some sort of product in here. There we go. Okay. Let's see here. Let's open it up here. And as is always the case, no surprise to anybody. As you hear me rip this off season here, off the camera, the side of the camera, we have a package inside of a package. So there's only one coin in here. And we are going to get inside of this, get the coin out. Wish they made it easier to do this. But, in a way, it's good that you have to work at it a little bit. Good packaging, I think, is ideal for things like this. Very good. Okay. There it is. Okay, all right. It is a platinum 1 ounce Platinum Eagle. All right, very good. You've seen me unbox one of these before. So this is my second Platinum Eagle. Got this at the beginning of a dip and lamented the purchase because it dipped even more. And I could have gotten it for a lot cheaper, literally just days after this. But nonetheless, it is what it is. And I got this in a much better deal than I would have, a month prior. And that's part of the realm. When you make a purchase of precious metals, you are going to, at times, get in situations where you make a purchase and the price goes down. And luckily, I was able to take advantage of another platinum purchase when it got down even lower. But I think platinum, the premiums on platinum have been as such that they haven't been affected as much as gold and silver. In other words, you can find better deals on platinum, it seems like, than you can on gold in terms of the premium over spot price, and certainly better than silver these days. It is absolutely crazy, some of the premiums on silver. And so a lot of us feel I'm pretty bullish on platinum, and I think it's only a matter of time before it starts to realize some of the prices that it had before. Maybe even get up near to where gold is, if not exceed it. It is a rare metal, and its use is as a catalyst. I think will be realized as soon as they retool, because I think it's going to be quite a while before we move to total electric vehicle engines for a while and getting the infrastructure in place. And even as such, there's other aspects of it that could possibly potentially use platinum in. With other industrial uses as a catalyst, and we just don't know. The future is wide open, but it's nice to add another Platinum Eagle to the stack. It is a beautiful coin for sure. It's one of those coins that I know some people make a comment about the Statue of Liberty face here, but they know that it is sort of a stoic look for Lady Liberty. And some people don't like this version looking straight out at you, and they say it looks kind of weird, but I think that is an actual representation of what the Statue of Liberty does look like from that vantage point. And then, of course, on the reverse, we have Thomas D. Rogers' version of the Eagle in flight. Yes, indeed, flying away from the sun there. And in the words United States of America, and 9995 platinum 1 ounce. First time seeing the United States of America kind of inscribed straight on instead of along with the curve of the coin there. This is I think, maybe even the first time this has happened on a U.S. coin where there's none of the inscriptions are arced. They are all written just straight on. Whereas, you can see here on this side, obviously, Liberty is, and a pluribus unum here that's incused is, where Liberty is. But yes, indeed. Usually you see a combination where they are both inscribed straight on and then arced. But on this side, it is not the case. They are completely 100%. All the inscriptions are flat, straight on there. There it is. Another ounce of platinum to the stack. Paid about $891 for this, which was a great deal at the time, for sure. And this came from Monument Metals. And I like the way, I'm glad they put this thing in a secure and taped up so the coin doesn't fall out. That's very good packaging for Monument Metals. But there it is. All right, very good. Tell me what you think about this coin, and what are your thoughts on platinum as a way to sort of hedge your bets, essentially, against higher premiums on gold and silver. Let me know what your thoughts are below. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.